Right now, you are looking at your mobile screen. Notice carefully, your focus is locked on your mobile screen. But in front of your eyes, there is not only the mobile screen. There are also many other things in the room that are in your vision. But your focus is locked only on the mobile screen. Are you doing it consciously or is it happening automatically? It is happening automatically. Why? Because you are watching this video on the mobile. So there is a desire working in you to watch this video, and that desire is automatically getting your focus locked on the mobile screen. So our desires control our focus. For example, if someone is sitting on the footpath to sell shoes, then his focus gets locked on the feet of the passers-by. But in that same place, if someone is sitting to sell caps, his focus gets locked on the heads of the passers-by. Now we all know that to become successful in life, we must lock our focus in the right direction. And just now we have discovered that our focus gets locked according to our desire. So if we want to control our focus, then we have to control our desires first. Now the question is, where do the desires come from? For example, suppose you have a desire that someday you want to buy an iPhone. Where does it come from? If someone posts a mirror selfie with an iPhone on social media, then it creates a rich and cool image of him in others' eyes. Knowing this, maybe you got the desire to buy an iPhone. Or maybe because whenever your friends see an iPhone, they start doing, "Oh wow." That's why you want to buy an iPhone. Whatever may be the reason, because of iPhone related information entered inside you, that's why you got the desire to buy an iPhone. Imagine someone who lives in a village who never heard anything about the iPhone. Is it possible for him to get the desire to buy an iPhone? Not possible. So the information is the root cause that creates desire inside us. And according to that, our focus gets locked. And then automatically our thinking and action also get changed in that direction. So this whole chain reaction, information, desire, focus, action, if we want to control this chain reaction from the root, then there is only one way. We have to consciously choose the information that we are allowing to enter inside us daily. Maybe you are studying sitting at your home, then suddenly you think, let's take a break and check Facebook. When you visit Facebook, you see a picture of your friends posted on Facebook hanging out somewhere and having fun. After this information enters your head, can you focus on your studies anymore? Not at all. So there is no need to check Facebook to take a break, because the more unnecessary information you will allow entering inside you, the more your focus will get diverted from the right direction. We think that, now I am free for 2 hours, let me watch a movie. After all, it's not a big deal. But the information that enters from that 2 hours movie have an effect on us for more than 2 hours, and even sometimes for many days. You can notice this thing more clearly after watching a horror movie. In the night, when the movie is over, then also we feel scared to go to the bathroom. On the other hand, maybe someday you are feeling demotivated, so you visited our channel and watched a video. After watching the video, you again start to feel motivated and got back to your work. If you are a regular viewer of our channel, then it may have happened with you many times. So the information that will help you to achieve your goals in life, allow only those to enter inside your head. Working very hard for 1 year, maybe now you have managed to save 50,000 rupees in your bank account. Now whether you will spend that all money buying an iPhone or you will decide to invest that money so that you can make more money, this is completely depending upon what type of information related to iPhone has entered inside your head and what type of information related to investment has entered inside your head. If you are someone who is an Instagram addict, then maybe you will decide to buy an iPhone. But if you are someone who learns something new about investment every day, then maybe you will decide to invest that money. Right now, whether you are watching this video lying down or sitting straight, this decision has also been taken by you but being unaware. Just like this, Every day we make on an average 75,000 decisions. Maximum of them we make unconsciously or being unaware. That is, we don't analyze much before making these decisions. We just accept whatever comes in our mind at that moment. And it is impossible to take 75,000 decisions each day being completely aware. But the decisions we are making every moment are influencing our life's direction continuously. So if you want that the decisions you make being unaware, those decisions also take you closer to your life goals, then there is only one way. What information you are allowing to enter in your head every day, you have to control that being conscious. Because the decisions we make unconsciously get decided by the information that is already present in our head. So first of all, we have to find a way to stop all the garbage information that enters our head daily from internet, TV or newspaper, and we have to find a way to enter more and more information that will help us to achieve our goals from books, documentaries or from the mentor's advice. Because always remember, whatever goes in comes out. If you want to know in more detail about this topic, then you can buy the book Blink by Malcolm Gladwell by following the link given below in the description. I hope this video will help you to realize the importance of information in your life, and from today you will carefully allow information to enter your head. Wish you all the very best. Thanks for watching. More wisdom, more solution, better life.